I'm so down for you. I'm so down for you. Cause I'm so down for you. Do it the most. Good morning. We are gonna have some breakfast burritos. As you've seen, it is a rainy day today, so this is one of my favorite types of days. And we're just gonna have a little rainy day vlog. So we have our little burritos. I never know how to make these vlogs anymore because I feel like they always overlap with what I'm already doing on TikTok. So bear with me as I try to get my flow again. I'm a lazy hoe, so I just popped these in the air fryer. They just came out. Oh, they're hot. Cheers. I've been on my cycle for the past like 5 days. And this time it was heavy. Like I know TMI, I'm eating, but I just wanted to share this because I struggle with PCOS. So I don't always get my period, but when I do, it's very painful. It lasts sometimes between 2 days to maybe 7 days. Today I'm at day 5, I think, and it's been like medium. But the first 2 days I legit I was bedridden, like I couldn't get out of bed. I made the bed, but I made it just to get back in it. And I forced myself to watch Harry Potter just so that I could actually rest, and ended up watching the whole series in like 2 days. I think I just always forget to like take care of myself when it comes to my cycle time because I've just been so used to not having it that I just kind of brush over it when I do get it. But this is the first time I've gone through it sober as in no weed. I never shared about that because I didn't feel like it was important for me to share that, but now that I've been clean or sober for about like almost 3 months, I'm going into 3 months in March. I feel happy because I finally let go of that part of myself, that identity of myself. But it's like there are moments where I do like crave it. Like for example, when I first got my cycle on Monday, I definitely wanted to have some weed because I was cramping really hard. I could not sleep. I was in a lot of pain. I didn't go for it and I didn't cave in, and I'm proud of that because that just goes to show that I'm evolving, and it's actually like for sure this time that I'm going to continue to stay sober until as long as I can, pretty much. Next month I'm kind of nervous because I'm taking on a challenge for myself to not eat out and to not eat fast food. And for someone that grew up on eating McDonald's every morning, or going to Burger King for breakfast, or going to Carl's Jr., ordering pizza, just ordering out for dinner all the time, this is going to be hard. And I feel like this is a good way to transition, which is frozen foods. Hubby went yesterday to Walmart to grab some groceries, so he surprised me with some breakfast burritos so I can have breakfast in the morning and not starve myself, because I'm one that always does that, and I know I shouldn't do it, but I'm always one that like I won't eat until like it's 1 or 2, or maybe I'll just wait until your husband gets home and we'll have dinner like around 5 or 6, maybe even later because he's been getting out late. But it just like I need to change those habits, and it's kind of scary, like I'm not gonna lie. I'm 3 months into giving up something that I relied on for so many years. This is nothing different. It's the same thing. I can do it. I'm easing my way in with frozen foods or pre-made foods until I start to get my rhythm for meal prepping, all those things. Because I'm the type of person that I will buy groceries and I won't cut them up, I won't prep them, I'll just throw them in the fridge and just wait for the time that I want to use it. But it's like I'm wasting so much money doing that. I need to get better at it. Debating if I'm gonna work out today. I think I might not go to the gym, but I'll work out here at the house because I just love going to the gym in the morning. Like if I'm gonna go to the gym, I want to go like at 4 a.m. I want to be there at least before 5. It's emptier. I feel like I have more room to film myself and all those things. Today we're gonna do an at-home workout, and I'm still doing the Lift with Lena app. I really like that app. That's the one I keep going to whenever I go to the gym or if I'm gonna work out here. It's just very detailed, straight to the point. There's no bullshit around it. Rearranged the room, finally put the clean clothes away, finally put the dirty clothes into the basket because it was just laying out everywhere. I think right now I'm just gonna finish breakfast, probably finish up some cleaning around the house. Also, I think I'm gonna apply to some campaigns. I applied to some on Coley and Palm, but yeah. So welcome to today's rainy vlog. Gets me in a lot of trouble, but oh fuck, sorry, didn't mean to do that. Where are you? I just saw you. It's because she's the baddest bitch. Find the statue of the one eye witch. Period. Hey, we found it.
Goodness. I knew this was all down here.
Oh, it's scary. It's scary in here. Oh, jump scare.
Hell.
There we go. Damn, she's smart or whatever. Damn. Okay. Let's get it. Alright.
That seems to have done the trick.